This is our second intended learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, you, the learners, should be able to identify the roles of the nervous system and the endocrine system in maintaining body temperature. Explain how the nervous system detects temperature changes through sensory receptors and signals. Describe how the endocrine system responds by releasing hormones to regulate body functions. Illustrate how the nervous and endocrine systems work together in processes such as sweating, shivering, and metabolic regulation. Analyze how feedback mechanisms help restore homeostasis when body temperature rises or falls. Evaluate the importance of the integration of the nervous and endocrine systems in maintaining survival and overall health. Introduction to homeostasis and temperature regulation. The human body must maintain a stable internal environment. We call it homeostasis to function properly. Body temperature is a critical factor. The normal average is about 37 degrees centigrade, which is equivalent to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Deviations from this temperature can impair enzyme activity, metabolic processes, and organ function. Role of the nervous system. The nervous system acts as the body's rapid response system. Specialized thermoreceptors located in the skin and the hypothalamus detect changes in external and internal temperatures. So there you see the different levels of the brain. We have the cerebral cortex, central sulcus, parietal lobe, the thalamus, the occipilot lobe, cerebral cortex, cerebellum, the brain stem, the medulla, the pons, the temporal lobe. There you see a very small part, hypothalamus, and then the lateral ventricles, the corpus coliferum, and then the frontal lobe. The hypothalamus serves as the body's thermostat. If body temperature rises during exercise or in hot environments, the hypothalamus activates the cooling system, the cooling mechanisms. If body temperature drops in cold environments, it activates warning mechanism. For examples, heat response. The hypothalamus triggers signals to sweat glands via the autonomic nervous system, causing sweating. It also dilates blood vessels near the skin, vasodilation, to release heat. Cold response. The hypothalamus signals muscles to contract rapidly, and that's called shivering, generating heat. Blood vessels constrict, vasoconstriction, to reduce heat loss. Role of the endocrine system. The endocrine system complements nervous system signals with slower, longer-lasting responses. Hormones secreted by the endocrine glands regulate metabolism, which influence body heat production. This is the shown is the anatomy of the endocrine system. You see there the hypothalamus, and then the pancreas, the adrenal glands, the ovaries, and then or the testicles, adipose, the thyroid glands. We have the pineal gland, and then the pituitary gland. Thyroid hormones, the thyroxine and triiodothyronine, increase basal metabolic rate, producing more heat. Adrenaline, epinephrine, released by the adrenal medulla during stress or cold exposure. It increases metabolism and heat production. Insulin and glucagon in the pancreas regulate glucose availability, providing fuel for thermogenesis. Interaction of nervous and endocrine systems. These systems work together in a feedback loop to stabilize temperature. Example of high temperature regulation. The nervous system detects heat, and then it provides signals to sweat glands, and then the sweating begins. The endocrine system adjusts metabolisms, reduces thyroid hormones activity to minimize heat production. So you see in the figure the illustration of the nervous system. You have there the brain, the cerebrum, and then those are the the different nerves, as you can see, with the corresponding labels. Example of low temperature regulation. Nervous system detects cold, and then it signals to muscles, and then shivering begins. The endocrine system releases adrenaline and thyroid hormones to increase metabolism and generate heat. Feedback mechanism. Both systems rely on negative feedback controlled by hypothalamus. Once the body returns to normal temperature, corrective mechanisms slow down or stop. Importance of integration. The nervous system provides fast, immediate responses, seconds to minutes. The endocrine system provides slower, sustained regulation, minutes to hours. Without this coordination, the body would be unable to adapt to environmental challenges and maintain a stable internal condition. Key takeaways. The nervous system detects changes and initiates quick corrective actions, while the endocrine system sustains and amplifies those responses through hormones. Together, they maintain temperature homeostasis essential for survival. Let's have practice problems of our Quarter 3 Biology Lesson 6. Keeping balance. How the nervous and endocrine systems regulate body temperature. Number 1. Describe the role of the hypothalamus in detecting changes in body temperature. So, given the hypothalamus is part of the brain, required its role in thermoregulation. Solution. The hypothalamus acts as the body's thermostat, detecting internal temperature changes through temperature-sensitive neurons. Final answer. The hypothalamus monitors body temperature and triggers corrective response to maintain homeostasis. We will have the next part of our Quarter 3 Biology Lesson 6.